Hey guys, Ladylocks here, and I've got this 50mm stainless padlock to just do a quick pick on. I think it's pronounced Volante or something like that. I'll show you guys the lock after I open it, but there's the bitting. And I'm working on just figuring out a little bit of a new angle to pick. It seems like it's really hard to see the keyways when I'm picking. I kind of want to get that in better view for you guys. So I'm just working out a little bit of a different angle. See if we like it. Anyhow, I wanted to announce the winner of the Lockjaw Manufacturing and the Stars of Picking Time sticker pack giveaway. And that would be Dana Reed. So congratulations, Dana. Yeah, Dana Reed won. So if you want to give me your information, email me your information, and I will get you sorted with your goodies. But yeah, here's the padlock. I don't know if that's how you say that. Volante? I don't know. Volante. Yeah, I've never seen this one before. Cool little padlock. All standard pins, it seems like. Nothing too tricky. There's the keyway on it. Well, thanks for watching. Dana, don't forget, get in touch with me and I will get you your prize. And congratulations on that. And thank you everybody else for entering. That was really cool of you guys to enter. And stay tuned. There will be some more giveaways in the future. All right, take care, guys.